Other kids had superheroes, I had a steady hand. A quiet kind of strong, I didn't always understand. He never made it loud, never made it about himself. Just showed up every morning with the weight of someone else.
Middag, naand almal. Ons wil net baie dankie sê vir julle wat julle hele tyd afgestaan het. En dankie vir die graad R. Dit is die tweede, dit is our second parent for the bride.
But I don't think it is about the bride. I truly believe that it is the time that they get to spend with you today. Vandag gaan nie oor wie die beste braaimeester is nie, maar dit is weer die spesiale tyd saam met jou kind vandag. And then a warm welcome, dads, to the new phase in your little one's life.
He don't fly, he don't shine like the ones up on the screen, but he